Is the worst over for Bitcoin already, or will we go into lower levels? That is something that we have to talk about after this insane announcement of the SEC suing Binance and Coinbase together and causing a small drop in the crypto market yesterday. And yes, my trade got stopped out, haha. So that is part of being a trader. You cannot win them all, but from a technical perspective, it looked like that we are going up. So, but let's talk about this in a sec. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to it, like this video, and also activate the bell to push the algorithm so that as many people as possible can see this video. That would help me a lot. I would appreciate that a lot. So, and now let's get directly here into today's content. So, like I just said, yes, I lost my trade. I got stopped out, which is fine. When you're a trader, you cannot win all your trades, so that's absolutely fine if 1 out of 5 or something you get stopped out on, but win the other ones. So it did not really hurt me, so I'm good. Don't worry, guys. So here on the daily chart, first of all, what I want to point out here again is that falling wedge pattern. And if you remember, guys, I had warned you, even though I said that I wait for a breakout out of it, I said there is the possibility of touching the bottom of it again before we see a move to the upside out of the falling wedge, and that I would most likely want to see a break out of it by the end of the month and not earlier. So, and that might be becoming now to fruition with the move that we just have experienced yesterday here massively to the downside. So, and hopefully this here is the bottoming candle from where we then go sideways up to the resistance and then continue to go into higher levels. So the RSI also, after yesterday's move, is now pointing to the upside. So that is for now also a good indication that the bulls are finally stepping in and trying to push the market up again. If we move to some other time frames, things are not that easy. For example, here on the 4-hourly chart, yes, indicators are looking good. Stochastic RSI is going up, normal RSI is going up, but you see here that zone that we had of 26,100 to 25,800, that was support. So now it is technically resistance, because we had here 4 candles trying to break into it and could not manage to do it, but this one is finally in it, but it has to hold over 1.5 hours in that level to confirm a break into that level, and then a break above that to flip it into support again, so that we can move here into higher levels once again. So, and something really interesting that I have seen here on this 4-hourly chart is that here on the chandelier exit indicator, it basically gave us the right warning. When the sell tag came in, we should have gone short, because when you look at the chandelier exit indicator, it's normally never really wrong when it gives you a tag, a buy or a sell tag, based on the different interpretations that the indicator is using on the chart. So also here the buy tag was correct, here the sell tag was correct, here the buy tag again was correct, here that buy tag was correct, the sell tag over here was correct. So you would have made all on all of these flashings of the buy or sell tag, you would have made some money there, you know. So that's why I have it on here. I'm not basically just trading blindly with these tags, you know. It's just a help to see where you have a floating resistance or support level based on the lines that are going along with the chandelier exit indicator. So something else I want to point out, we are right now still sitting on really crucial support level on the 4-hourly chart. As you can see here, we have touched it now 3 times at the $25,563 level, got supported and got for now that bounce here to the upside from it. So, but we need to reclaim the 0.618, the golden ratio at $27,220 on the VPVR in alignment with the golden ratio to flip here back extremely bullish. So right now we are not bullish because potentially we still could go lower, and the lowest point that I can see for now would be around the $23,000 level, and I'm gonna show you in a second from where I see that. Let me move you to another chart again. So if I look now at next support and resistance levels, so then you can see down here, so there's technically one, and then just above, so here, that could be the range. That could be the range where Bitcoin could drop into really, really easy right now. Just dip into it and directly come back up to grab liquidity down here and continue then up. So, but we have to wait the next couple of hours and see what's happening here based on the 4-hourly chart. The 12-hourly chart is also finally giving a buy signal on a stochastic RSI. The normal RSI is also pointing up. Just, I think the daily has still some room. Yeah, has today still one final leg to the downside on the stochastic RSI before potentially we see a pinch to the upside. But the pinch could be really volatile tomorrow, potentially. And that is something that I hope to actually see here. So now, trade-wise, what would I do? The best thing here to do would be not much right now. So if you see a break above $26,100, you could enter a long and trade this all the way up to the golden ratio. So, and if you see a break of $25,400, you enter a short, and then your target will be, just as I mentioned, for example, $23,100. So that would be one of the targets, or into that zone all the way down to $22,700. So in that kind of zone would be then my technical target for a short. So, and guys, don't forget, if you want to short or long Bitcoin, do it on a safe exchange like BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you use my specific link. And also, if you want to learn professionally how to trade and you were looking for somebody who can teach it to you, my course is coming in maximum 7 days. My course will be online, so definitely go here and register already for the course while you can. And don't forget, the course is not for free. So it's not for free, you have to pay something. And the prices will be also coming out soon, once, like a day or two before the website actually launches. You will be able to see the pricing for it. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.